Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by reading the equation y equals mx plus b and locating two critical numbers, m and b. Plot the y-intercept at 0, b, immediately so you have a fixed anchor point on the graph. Then rewrite the slope as rise over run. If m is a fraction, convert it into an up/down and left/right movement. Once plotted, you'll use that anchor to guide the next point. Make sure to mark coordinates clearly, so the next step is precise and visual. Once the intercept is on the grid, apply the slope as a movement from that anchor point. Move up or down by the rise, then right by the run. If the slope is negative, move downward first to reflect decreasing y values. For fractional slopes, multiply numerator and denominator to land on integer grid points that are easy to plot. Make sure to count squares on the graph paper so you don't misplace the point. After plotting a clear second point, you're ready to connect them next. You now draw a straight line through the two plotted points and extend it across the grid to show the full solution. Use a ruler for a crisp edge. Label at least two coordinates and write the original equation near the line so the relationship is clear. To verify, pick any plotted point and substitute into y equals mx plus b. The equality should hold. If it doesn't, recheck your slope as rise/run and confirm you counted grid squares correctly to troubleshoot the error.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.